bad, oh, bad things get better. It's like a cycle that goes on for forever and ever. It's what makes us clever. People gonna talk shit every day, but it's whatever. Where do I start? I couldn't tell ya. If you stop and ask me for directions, I couldn't help ya. Mainly because me, myself, is selfish. Nowadays, if a situation has nothing to do with someone, then they don't wanna help it. It's hard to help someone when you yourself is helpless. This is what makes our world today so hellish. I'm just honest, how I see it's how I tell it. This cycle is why our world today is melted. Me saying I was the shit backfired, because now they say they literally smell it. What happened to who smelt it, dealt it? That just brings us back to being selfish, because the one who truly dealt it refuses to take the blame. Same with society, who shot it refuses to claim that they took the aim, so they give up someone else's name, causing pain to another's life that's about to change, even though the chains aren't on them to restrain. At least they're not supposed to be. What happened to this globe? Now you see that it was you, it was me, it was us, as a team, as a team, as a team. Whether you choose to do or not believe, to give or to receive, either way it's gonna get to you and then get back to me. This is war, we can't retreat, cause once the cycle stops then it can only repeat. Oh, good things go bad, oh, bad things get better. It's like a cycle that goes on for forever and ever. It's what makes us clever. People gonna talk shit every day, but it's whatever. Oh, good things go bad, oh, bad things get better. It's like a cycle that goes on for forever and ever. It's what makes us clever. People gonna talk shit every day, but it's whatever. You see, I fucked up. I told this girl I was a drug. She fell for the placebo effect and ended up in love. It got to the point where a hug for me was just too much, but a kiss for her was never enough. She wanted the opposite of what I would want. My opposites don't attract, they just erupt. I've been all about myself for a while, that's why I'm so corrupt. I quit drinking, it's time to sober up, time to open up. Meeting new people, my phone's been blowing up. Truth is I've been going nuts, just without tipping cups. Fast forward a couple months, the cycle repeats. My family couldn't believe the smell of alcohol that rolled off my breath as I would speak. Now I have dreams of being buried 6 feet deep, all because I can't let my demons release, so they stay inside and feast and turn me into a beast in a bad way. I look in the mirror and I hate who I see. This music I bleed, I make in hopes to get people through their bad dreams. I'm a good person, I'm just bad at being me. I'm good at being mean, so catch me before the cycle repeats. Oh, good things go bad, oh, bad things get better. It's like a cycle that goes on for forever and ever. It's what makes us clever. People gonna talk shit every day, but it's whatever.